Hello friends, I am Professor M. B. Shinde from Seagate College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Friends, we have started the building services chapter, and in first two parts we have covered the plumbing services, different types of pipes, pipe fittings, etc. Now we'll see the drainage system in the building services. So what is drainage system? Basically, it refers to all the piping within the private and public premises which conveys sewage, rainwater, and other liquid waste to a point of disposal. A drainage system does not include the mains of public sewer system or private or public sewage treatment or disposal plant. There are different types of pipings are used. First one is the stack. What is stack? A general term used for any vertical line of soil, waste, or vent piping. It is called a stack. Second is the soil pipe. A soil pipe that conveys the discharge. It conveys the discharge of black water, means water from the water closet. WC, water closet. Liquids containing fecal matters, means soil matters. So these are called as soil pipes. Next one is the waste pipe, a pipe that conveys the discharge of only grey water, means liquid waste free of fecal matter. Grey water means we can take the example maybe flow from bathrooms, simply only bathrooms, or flow from wash basin, or flow from kitchen, etc. These are called as waste pipe. A waste pipe is generally smaller than a soil pipe because of the nature of matter being discharged into the system. Next one is the branch. Any part of the piping system other than the main riser or stack is called as branch. Means other than the stack, any piping system is called as branch one. So building or house drain, that part of the lowest horizontal piping of a plumbing system which receives the discharge from soil, waste, and the other drainage pipes inside a building and conveys it to the building sewer or house sewer line. So it is called a building or house drain. Means main drainage line of the building which carries the discharge from soil pipe, waste pipe, or maybe from the stack. So that pipe is called a house drain. Next, so building or house sewer, the part of drainage system that extends from the end of the building drain and conveys its discharge to the public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system, or other appropriate point of disposal. Whatever soil water, wastewater is collected from the building, that will be taken out by the building drain or house drain, and that will be taken to the building or house sewer line. So it may be connected to the private sewer or public sewer or any individual sewage line. So picture shows the building or house sewer line here. This is the soil stack. This is the actual picture one of a building. See the pipe in vertical direction. So this carries the soil water from the building units. Soil water, soil water means which contains the fecal particles like the flow from the WCs. This one. So here the one diagram also shows the different types of pipe and their numbering. This is the also cross-sectional view of the building, which shows the bathrooms, toilet blocks, or grey water points like kitchen area or all these things. See the here vent pipes is provided Vent pipe is provided on the pipe which collects the water from the WC's bathrooms. Is it? So over the drain line, the vent pipe is provided to remove the whole gases. Then parts of drainage system. So there are essential components: the house sewer, house drain, house trap, pressure inlet, soil and waste tracks, fixtures, traps and vents. So among these, important one is what traps and different types of plumbing systems. Uh, Special devices are also there: interceptors, sumps, ejectors, backwater valves, roof and floor drains. So this is the house sewer line. It extends from the public sewer to the private sewage disposal tank to the wall of structure and is entirely outside the building. Maybe plastic pipe is used. 10 plastic pipe is used. So 10 foot, 20 foot long, 12-inch deep with concrete pavement, 18-inch deep without concrete covering, and slope is given 1 by 8 inch or 1 by 4th inch to the foot. Per foot you can provide the slope so that self-cleansing velocity must be achieved to the wastewater which is flowing through this house sewer. So this is how drain and pressure inlet. How drain: the horizontal main into which the vertical soil and waste tanks discharge. It connects directly to the house sewer. Sanitary drain, leader drain. Material used is for copper pipes or plastic pipes. These are or extra heavy cast iron pipes. Slope is given same 1 by 8 or 1 by 4 inch per foot. A clean out at the cellar basement wall is recommended to clear obstructions. A clean out at the foot of each waste and soil stack should be installed for the house drain. This is fresh air inlet. A figure shows on right side the fresh air inlet. It is intended to admit fresh air to the drainage system so that there will be a free circulation without compression throughout the house drain and stack discharge above the roof. A necessary adjunct to the house trap. It is made available. This is soil and waste tax. The soil and waste tax collect the sewage from the fixtures through their branches should rest solidly at the bottom on masonry piers or heavy post. So at the bottom, foundation like structure is prepared. Over this it will rest. The upper end should extend through the roof for the ventilation. So ventilation is made available on the same line of the soil and waste tax. The made of heavy cast iron or copper plastic. The material of these pipes is cast iron or heavy copper or plastic. This supported at interval of 10 foot with stout wall hangers or brackets. Brackets are used to uh, support this pipe vertically over the wall or over the any building element. Minimum 4-inch dia or 1 foot below the roof. It should be straight, free of bends and turns. Mostly stacks or soil pipes are should be of straight in nature. Minimum bend should be there, or almost you can avoid the bend. So other as a picture branches connect the pictures with the stacks. Waste or soil branches are connected to the trap of each picture. Again slope 1 by 8 inch to 1 by 2 inch per feet. Horizontal branch should not be more than 5 feet from the vertical inlet of the trap to the vent opening. Material cast iron, plastic, copper or GI sheet. Okay, friends, today we'll stop here. Next part we'll cover in next video. Thank you.